Nested just minutes from BKC and seamlessly connected to the Western Express Highway and Sea Link, this 4.5 bed residence spans approximately 1,800 square feet of finely curated space. In the heart of Bandra's rising skyline, this flat doesn't just live here, it thrives. As you step through the main door, you are instantly welcomed by a grand open plan living and dining area. Sunlight floods the space through full-length glass panels, while the seamless layout offers both elegance and functionality. As you enter the living dining area, floor to ceiling windows sweep open to wide balconies. These decks offer serene garden views on one side and a vibrant cityscape on the other, perfect for fitting into your morning coffee or evening soirees. The modular gourmet kitchen is sleek, practical, and built for both passion and convenience, whether you're cooking or hosting a private chef. A separate utility and servants' room keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Designer grade marble flooring flows throughout each room. Central air conditioning cools both the living areas and all bedrooms. Imported marble finishes and premium sanitary fittings highlight every corner. This 4.5 BHK layout includes 4 sizable bedrooms plus a flexible study or guest room. The master suite boasts its own balcony, walk-in wardrobe, and a marble flat en-suite, your private retreat above the buzz. Living here also means access to a luxurious lifestyle, temperature-controlled pool and kids pool with deck, spa, gym, indoor games, rooftop, party lawn, and a multi-purpose hall, all set within lush, internationally landscaped gardens. With 24/7 concierge and valet services, underground parking, and unmatched views, this is the kind of home that reflects environment and achievement and aspirations. Here, every aspect is designed for living well, not just living. Spacious bedrooms, panoramic views, and thoughtful design, this 4.5 BHK is more than just a home. It's where elegance meets everyday living.